Serbian power. What is up, everyone? I'm stoked for today. They are calling for 10 to 15 centimeters of snow outside, and as you can see, we already have a bunch of snow. So I figure when I go to the gym, what better way than to take the Mazda? It's April, why not? Before we go any further, you gotta like and subscribe, like this video, subscribe to this channel, because it seems to be working. We've jumped like 250 followers in a week. All right, here we go. So this is definitely not one of my better ideas. I'm already stuck, so that's awesome. Oh yeah, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I'm just gonna go for it because I love driving this car so much. Oh yeah, we're gonna be good. Get stuck. We got stuck. I did left my keys and my tow rope and my truck behind for the staff. The road is like pure ice. This is great. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the gym though. It's not one of my better ideas, but it's great. Oh yeah. Any of my police or ambulance friends or firefighter friends right now would not be impressed. But I think this is a great decision. Oh yeah, it's no big deal. We got this. We got this. It's gonna be good, boys. This is great. It's like crazy. You can't tell what's the road and what's field or grass here. Like we'll just do a cruise around town. I don't think it's a good idea to stop and work out. I just got a thumbs up from some dude in an F-150. I can't stop, I'll get stuck. We make this corner here without getting stuck. Oh yeah, we got her good, it's good. Good thing we installed a heater in this thing. We were kind of on the fence about it, but now I'm glad we did. Wonder if we can go this way. Figure if we get stuck, we'll just call for help, I guess. This is stupid and dangerous, but I do love driving this car. Yeah, it gets pretty deep in here. Let's just go for it. Woo! Ah! My turbos don't fill with snow. There's no filter or anything on them. On the windshield, try and melt that shit off. There's ice all over it now. Oh, it's getting deep in here. I was gonna stop, but maybe I won't. Yeah, like super deep. I think I was gonna stop there, but I won't. This is my house here. I was gonna stop and change the camera view, but I think we're just gonna keep on going here and keep our momentum. Oh, let's hit that momentum up here. I think it's fair to say that this is a great snow car. Oh, you drive it year round. kidding, I wouldn't say that. Every now and then you come around a corner and it catches and it just scares the crap out of you for a second there. I think this seems like as good a spot as any to change the camera view. Well, I tried to change the camera view, but I got nothing to wipe the car off with. It's just soaked. So, onward and upward. See if we can get back to the shop here now. Oh yeah, boys, we got her good. Just gotta keep momentum up. If any of you live in Canada, you've driven in shit like this, you understand. You just gotta keep the car moving. That's the key right there. Definitely not working out in this thing. Or like going to the gym in this. No. Look at the snow. See it flying by the window? Oh, every now and then you can just see a little bit of it fly by the window there. Oh, there it goes again. So this is typically to get back about a 2-minute drive, but I think we're going to be a little better than that. Well, I made it back and I might be stuck in the parking lot now. I made it all the way through town and I got stuck here. So that was awesome. I would say that went about as well as planned. You can see there's probably 6 inches of snow that's already fallen out here. This is where I was stuck in the back first time right when I left the shop. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed that, I'm going to do some more of those. Just give me, you know, the old like and subscribe there, and keep your stick on the ice, I guess, and we'll just enjoy this beautiful April day in Canada when it's snowing a foot of snow for some reason right after the roads were dry. I'm super excited about it, you can tell.